Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term nookie. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, nookie is informal slang for sexual intercourse or intimate activity. People use it when they want to talk casually about romantic or physical relations. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Nookie first showed up in the 1990s hip hop scene. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and music fans. Now let's check out how to use nookie in a sentence. Correct example 1. They went out for dinner and later enjoyed some nookie back at the apartment. Correct example 2. I can't wait to get some nookie this weekend. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said nookie at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using nookie right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Nookie means informal slang for sexual intercourse or intimate activity. It started in the 1990s hip hop culture, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with nookie in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.